Hi guys, Frank here, and I wanted to talk a little about this program that I've been working on. Basically, it's a 3D two-level house programmed in OpenGL and Glut. So as you are moving around, you'll notice that you see a couple of paintings, some walls, a nice floor, and a really fancy ceiling, as well as some doors. So the point of this demo is basically to show that I'm able to effectively program graphics, interaction, collision detection, and transparency, as well as a little bit of physics. So you're walking around this room trying to find how to get out, and you'll notice that when you walk up to this door, you actually see that it says press X to open. So you press X and the door smoothly opens. So now we open up this room to go upstairs. So we walk up these stairs and you'll notice that because of the collision detection, you're actually able to smoothly walk up those stairs, much like it was a ramp. And then you'll notice the transparency in these railings over here. You can see through both of those railings and you can actually see that pillar on the other side. So there's not much going on upstairs, but it does show that there are these small objects, the pillars with a nice ice effect, and some random spheres on the top. So you'll notice that the pillars themselves do each have collision detection, and you can't go through those as well. You can't go through the railing. So once you're done upstairs, you can go back down, and the collision detection also allows you to smoothly go down those stairs and through the door. So another cool feature is that when that door is closed, it has enough capacity to know that you can't go through it. So it says, okay, you can't go through that door, so you have to open it. The person will open that door, go upstairs, and if they want, they can do this cool little Easter egg that I put in here. So if you jump at the top of the stairs, you'll float through the floor and you'll find my Easter egg. That was a cool little feature in there that I just added in to have a little bit of fun. So then you back out and you go through the stairs. So now while I'm moving around, I just want to talk about those numbers on the bottom. So basically there's the X, Y, and Z. What those represent are the camera coordinates that you are currently at. So you'll notice that if you just move left or right, rotating, the camera coordinates themselves do not actually move. But you start moving forward and then turning around and stuff, you'll actually notice that the X, Y, Z do change. So that's a little bit of something that made it a little bit easier just to see where you were on the actual map. So that's about it, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed the demo, and leave a comment below with any suggestions or things that you liked about it. Alright, thank you.